All right, Nikisha, so what was your motivation about starting or behind starting Run Girl Run?
Well, the thing about it is the African American community leads in heart disease, obesity, cancers, and diabetes. And by doing physical activity, it decreases your chance of getting any of those diseases. Even genetic makeup has a big part of that, but any type of physical activity that we can do will increase our chances of being healthy.
Okay, how do you go about recruiting people to become a part of Run Girl Run?
Well, a lot of it's word of mouth. We place on Facebook. We have a website, www.rungirlrun.org, and a lot of it's just word of mouth.
Just word of mouth. How many people did you have in your race today?
Wow, we had 43 people register. Total count, I think we had at least 35 that came out.
And this is your first Run Girl Run race?
Yes, it is. Usually we do 5Ks every month, and we support different organizations in running, but this month we did our own 5K.
Okay, so in the future, where do you see Run Girl Run going?
The possibilities are endless. I would like for us to have a group in every city and have our own 5Ks and get sponsored by different organizations and businesses so that we can shed light and publicize the importance of physical activity.
Okay, well, congratulations.
Thank